Hello guys, just a simple quick update to our Angular development. So here I moved this app folder. In the previous tutorial we have created an app called hello-world. Okay, that folder I'm moving to the folder called Angular tutorial basics and advanced. Why I have done like this? Initially I have created one more folder called hello-world. In that folder we had this app folder, that is hello-world. So to avoid the confusion, I just removed that folder with the same name as the app folder name. Okay, I just kept this app hello-world folder inside the folder called Angular tutorial basics and advanced. So this folder I'm considering it as a main folder. Okay, so just to avoid the confusion, that's it guys, we are good to go now. Thank you.